Are you just getting started with Power BI and want to learn how to upload data in Power BI? You are in the right place. Hello everyone and welcome back to our another video on Power BI. We are going to look at how we can load up our source data. To do that, first, we need to determine the data shows that we are going to use. We will have to use the Excel data source in order to bring it inside the Power BI dashboard. There are different ways. The first one, you can click on Get Data and click on Excel over here, or you go to a canvas and click on Import Data from Excel. All methods will lead you to the same process, so it doesn't matter what you use, simply click on any of it. It will open up a box asking you to select the Excel file. You can copy and paste the path over here, and then simply select and click on Open. Once you click on Open, give it a few seconds, and it will open up a dialog box called Navigate. This helps you select what items do you want to load inside Power BI from your source data. We have loaded the module by which contains two data in our Excel sheet. One is the employee and other is the sales data. In order to bring up the sales data worksheet inside Power BI on sales data, and make sure to put a tick mark. Only the tick places will be loaded inside Power BI. The one that will not have a tick mark will not be loaded. Once you click on Sales Data, you will be seeing a preview of that worksheet to your right side. Inside that, you will be having different columns that are there in your data, such as date of sale, segment, product quantity, and sales amount. Once you have a tick mark here and you have a good preview of your sales worksheet, you can simply go to the bottom and click on Load the Data. And then there are two other options that you can use, which is called Transform Data, which is something that we are going to discuss in our upcoming videos. I'll simply click on Load in order to bring up my data inside this Power BI. It will run some queries, and in some few seconds it will load our data inside the Power BI file. What is happening here is, it is simply connecting to the Excel files that you have mentioned in. So it is establishing a connection between the Power BI and the Excel file, which is fine. Any changes that you make in the Excel file will also be reflected in the Power BI dashboard that you are about to build, so it is not simply copy listing your data, but Power BI is establishing a live connection with the Excel file. That once you have the entire columns that you have in your source data, such as the data seal quantity sales. This is ordered in A to Z manner, so it's having the short order of. This is something that it will be used in order to create a visual for your dashboard. If you want to have a look at your data again, you can simply go to the data view where it will give you to preview your data. Again, coming back to the report pane here, we're going to build our dashboard in upcoming videos. In our next videos, we will learn how to create a visual in Power BI and what are the different types of visualization used in Power BI. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. I will see you in next video. Thanks for watching.